The Suzuki Mehran has long been a staple in Pakistan's automotive landscape, known for its reliability and affordability. However, the 2025 modified version of this classic car has taken things to a whole new level. Welcome to Racing Cars, where we bring you the most exciting modifications and car builds from around the world. Today, we dive into a fully customized 2025 Suzuki Mehran that pushes the boundaries of innovation and style. This modernized Mehran comes with a completely redesigned exterior. The stock body has been enhanced with an aerodynamic body kit, featuring a custom front bumper with aggressive air intakes, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. The headlights have been swapped with LED projector lamps, while the taillights now sport a futuristic sequential lighting setup. The car sits on 15-inch alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires, giving it a sportier stance. A carbon fiber hood and a custom-built rear spoiler complete the aggressive look, ensuring the Mehran no longer looks like an economy hatchback but a street-ready beast. Under the hood, this modified Mehran packs a serious punch. The traditional 800cc engine has been swapped with a 1000cc turbocharged unit, producing nearly double the stock horsepower. An upgraded intercooler and a high-performance air intake system help optimize airflow, while a custom-tuned EQ ensures maximum efficiency. The exhaust system has also been completely revamped with a stainless steel setup, producing a deep and throaty sound that adds to the car's aggressive persona. The interior of this 2025 Suzuki Mehran has been reworked for a premium experience. The seats are now wrapped in high-quality Alcantara with red stitching, giving a sporty yet comfortable feel. A custom digital instrument cluster replaces the old analog dials, displaying real-time performance data. The infotainment system now features a 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, making connectivity seamless. Ambient lighting has been added to the cabin, creating a high-end atmosphere, while a premium sound system with subwoofers ensures the best audio experience. Handling and braking have also been improved significantly. The suspension system has been upgraded with COI lovers, providing better stability and cornering capabilities. Disc brakes on all four wheels replace the traditional drum brakes, ensuring improved stopping power even at high speeds. The power steering has been electronically assisted, making maneuvering effortless compared to the stock mechanical setup. This 2025 modified Suzuki Mehran is a true testament to how an ordinary car can be transformed into something extraordinary with the right modifications. Stay tuned to Racing Cars for more insane builds and car transformations that redefine the driving experience.